Sean Fhocail in the Irish language means old words. They are proverbs and, like folklore, are passed down by word of mouth from generation to generation. These proverbs are a witness to the past, a glimpse into an ancient world. They speak about the relationship our ancestors had with the landscape, the changing seasons, the weather, the turning tides, the moments of merriment and rejoicing, the moments of sadness and loss. The ordinary, daily life of our people. For our Gaelic and Celtic ancestors, the landscape was imbued with sacred significance and mystery. Every field had a name. Every mountain, stream and rock had its own story to tell. The trees and rivers had their own significance, their own spirit. These ancestral treasures can once again be an opportunity for us to explore our own relationship to the landscape around us and our relationship to the rich, mysterious inner landscape of the soul.